Hello guys, welcome to CAD Easy. I am Mandil Sharma and today I am going to do a mesh for a 3D problem. So let's see. This is the geometry. So we are going to mesh a aircraft domain. This is our aircraft. So we have taken the half of the portion of the aircraft. So let's start with it. First of all, we need to open the geometry. So I have opened the geometry. Next step is to go to mesh, global mesh setting. Give max element size of 500. Let's apply. Okay. Now second step is to go to mesh setup and give mesh different different values for the different parts. So let's give fairing value as 10 and far field give 500. Fuselage give 10. Inlet give 500. Outlet give 500 and symmetry also 500. For wing give 5. Let's apply. Now go to mesh, again global mesh setup, then second option shell mesh parameters, all trias, give ignore size of 0.05 and that's it. Now compute the mesh and see how it looks. I have given volume meshing. We need to give first shell meshing because this is a bottom up approach. So as you can see, the mesh is done. But you can see the mesh is not proper at the leading edge. So we need to mesh it again. So for that we need to make some edit. So for that go to surface mesh setup, and select the leading edge and trailing edge also. That's middle button for done. Give max element size of 5 alt tire, and method take it as auto block. Press apply. Now again go to curve mesh setup, go to dynamic. Before that, turn on the curves and hide the surfaces. Increase the number of nodes to 11 and give bunching law. So give growth ratio of 1.2. Press middle button. Now we need to copy these parameters to all other curves. So for that, go to select first which curve you want to, from which curve you want to paste, copy. So first select this curve, press middle button, and now select the curves where you want to paste it. So now check if it has come properly or not. So here it is proper, here it is not proper, so we need to change it to geometric one. So now it's proper. Press middle button. Similarly check here also, here it is proper, here also it is proper. Here it's not proper, so change it to geometric one, then give 1.2 of growth ratio. Press middle button. Done. Now we need to make the number of nodes at the leading edge and trailing edge equal. So here it is 80, so we'll make it 80 here also. Here one shared node is there this side and this side, so we'll make it 78. Similarly along this spar also, so here it is 10, so make it 10 this side also. So here it is 15 and one shared node, so make it 15. Here it is 24 plus 1 25, so make it 24 here also. So done. Now we can match the nose also. So turn on the fuselage. For that, go to surface mesh setup and turn on the surfaces. give maximum element size of 5. Press OK. Now compute the mesh and let's see how it comes. So mesh is done, guys. Let's see how it has come in near the wings. So you can see here the mesh is coarser, finer this time, and covering all the curves. But the mesh is not proper here in this region, so we need to delete this mesh. For that, go to edit mesh, then delete elements, select one element, then select this option and delete it. So we need to mesh it again. Before that, we need to go to mesh, global mesh setup, and here repair, increase it to 3. Press apply. OK. Now compute mesh. From screen, select the surfaces, press compute. So now you can see the mesh has come proper this time. So this time mesh has come proper. Now we can turn on the surfaces. So this is our domain for an aircraft. So thank you for watching, guys. Please like, share, subscribe my channel, and see you in the next tutorial.